Everybody says that Musa is blessed with good soil. He purchased his land at the same time with Garuba, his friend. But while Garuba encountered problems due to the type of soil on his farm, Musa has been enjoying his farmland. His soil has the right amount of nutrients. Whenever it rains, it doesn't take too long for the soil to get dry, unlike his friend Garuba's farm, which could remain wet for days. The soil of Musa's farmland can easily be worked on or cultivated. It is simply the best soil for the cultivation of crops. Can you guess the type of soil we're talking about? Of course, we are talking about loamy soil. Loamy soil is the best type of soil for cultivation of crops. How do you identify loamy soil? Loamy soil is dark brown or black in color, unlike other types of soil, which is lighter brown or grayish color. Loamy soil is moist and loose with moderate-sized pore space. It has a non-powdery and non-sticky texture. It can be easily worked upon and cultivated, just like we stated about Musa's soil. It also contains lots of organic matter. It does not support waterlogging and erosion. It is well aerated and holds water well. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next one.